Hello everybody, hello! Welcome to the channel and welcome to a decent day. At last, we've actually got a pretty good week this week because recently we've had loads and loads of rain, absolutely stacks of rain. And I've been out mostly on the mountain bike when I could find the odd hour here and there where it wasn't raining. Sometimes I just went out when it was raining on the mountain bike. I wouldn't come out on the road bike when it's wet or raining, and this is the first time I've been on the road bike actually for weeks. I'll tell a lie, I did go out the other day, just a couple of days ago, but I didn't video that. So this is the first time I've been out videoing it. So I'm heading to Wingate area, south of Durham area, down to Wingate and Trimden and place like that, and just see how we go. See how it goes there, and hopefully it'll stay nice and dry for a change. And no rain, no rain, no rain, nice and dry, no rain. That'll do me fine, and hopefully not too much wind either. It's been quite windy recently as well, so let's see how we crack on. So I'm going to head towards Durham. I'm not going to video through Durham because it's way too busy, and I'll see you on the other side of Durham. So I've gone through Durham, made it out the other side safely. It's always crazy busy, but Durham really is. For the moment as well, I've got roadworks, major roadworks going on. Doing some kind of water pipe works or something like that, but it wasn't a surprise because I saw the sign the other week saying, well, quite a few weeks back, saying work's going to go on for 17 weeks, and I just hoped it had been a bit quicker, but no, it's still going on. So yeah, I had to go through them. On the way back, I think I'm going to, instead of go back the same way, I think I'm going to have to walk through them because they're just so long and I'm going to be in the way of all the other drivers, so yeah, I might just walk through, I don't know. So yeah, I'm heading through Sherburn way now. Just gone through Sherburn back there. And I'm heading towards Wingate area. That's a cool caravan, nothing you can see from here, just over in the distance there, just there. Got teeth and eyes on it. Fantastic, fantastic. So one of my favourite resting spots, as you can see here, next to the mining memorabilia, and it's getting nice and sunny. Some numpty drives out today, mine. Just gone past a thing down there, you know, like where half the road's blocked off, like give way to priority over to oncoming vehicles, and I had priority. Bus coming the other way, just forced his way through. Wasn't going to wait, you know, unbelievable. And before that, earlier on, I had somebody along a little tiny back country lane. He must have been doing 90 miles an hour at least. Absolutely flying he was. Complete idiot. I mean, luckily gave me plenty of room actually. He went past us and gave me a fair bit of room. Probably because he just vetoed the other side of the road. But yeah. He was absolutely flying. Must have been doing about 90, at least 95, 100 miles an hour along this backcountry lane. Flying he was. He got to a corner, slight bend, I thought he's lost it. I thought he'd gone at the dike. Rode so fast, complete fool. coming towards Wheatley Hill now, just down the bottom here, and I'm just gonna stop and have me essentials, my banana. It's got broken bottom, look. Broken leg on my banana. So yeah, we're gonna have a banana, rest for a few minutes, and then head down into Wheatley Hill, and I kind of go up and along the top that way, and heads over that way back towards Durham area. So yeah, so the sun's going in. It's going to be cloudy, but still not cold. It's very warm. It's very warm. In fact, the wind's changed direction today. It's coming more from the south, so it's going to get even warmer. Tomorrow's going to be really hot. Me and Kitty's going to head out tomorrow for a day out somewhere. Not on the bikes, just for a day out. York, something like that. Have a decent day out, because it's supposed to be nice weather, because it's supposed to be not very many days like this. I don't think it'll be, especially this week, because this weekend's supposed to cool down. So yeah, got to make the most of it down here. I don't know if you can see them there, but some parachutes coming down. Can you see? One there, one there, one there, one there, and then there's two on the right. I bet you can't see with this camera. The trouble with this camera, it makes it look miles and miles away. I mean, they're a fair few miles away. Probably 3, something like that. Maybe 3 miles, 4 miles. But on the camera here, it'll make it look like it's about 20 miles away. It's not my cup of tea, that neither. I like my feet on the ground. Like, I've got no desire to do any parachuting or skydiving or whatever. Nah, not for me. Not for me. I'm not that keen on heights. I'm not terrified of heights, but I'm not very keen either. And yeah, I prefer to be. I mean, I bet it's exhilarating, mind. I bet it's amazing, especially once that parachute opens and you know you're safe and you're lying down on the ground. I bet it's something else. But yeah, I prefer to be feet on terra firma, thank you very much. I'm heading down to Giles Gate now, into Durham. I used to actually work up here once over. I used to commute from home up to here many years ago. Yeah, every day I used to pedal through here. It's about 11 miles each way. Yeah, when I was, what, 17, 18, something like that. Yeah, good times, good times. Cold times in the winter, like, it was just going all weathers, doesn't matter what the weather was. So I'm heading down here and then through Durham. I've just come through all that mess back there, and I just walked. Got off the bike and walked. It's just easier. It's like 4-way traffic lights, and when you go, obviously you're holding cars because it's just a single file through. So I thought I'd just push it through, it'll be easier. Much easier. Seeing that, like, it's not easy walking in cycling shoes, is it? But for that distance, it was all right. So in the middle of Durham at the moment. Straight over the roundabout here, and then up the Peth. It's called the Peth. Sorry, I mean the Jelly at the moment. Yeah, up the Peth, and then back out to Durham again. The sky's actually changing. Actually, I'm not sure if it's going to rain. It's gone really dark. So I've come through Durham. I'm just going to probably head over the fells and back round again. I think I'll see how it goes, see how I feel. The sky looks dodgy as anything. Look, looks dodgy as anything. Still very warm and there's no rain. It's kind of like no weather here. It's like the weather's just stopped. It's bizarre. Really strange, but it's very still. Hopefully it's still over the top of the fells, because every time I go over there there's always a wind in my face. So I'm stopping now with a bit of a snack. My Texan style barbecue crunch. Got the kitty gets us some little, really nice. Really nice. So I'm gonna have some of that, or all of that, I don't know, I'll see how I go. Before I head up there, hill over there, the monkey, which heads up the top there towards the turbines on the top, and then over the top, back around the other side, like comes back down that road over the side, just over the side of them trees there, and back down that way. If I do that route, like, I'll see how I go, see how I feel. Sometimes I get round and I change my mind halfway around, see how my legs feel, see how tired I am, see what the traffic's like, because it's getting later. It's now 4 o'clock, yeah, nearly 4 o'clock. 5 to 4, so the roads are going to get busy and busier. Seeing that being busy already, I think it's because the kids are off. But some roads have been not too bad, and then other ones been really busy. But yeah, can't complain because it's been a cracking day so far. So yeah, gonna have these few snacks before I head off up the hill. I'm coming across the fella, yeah, and I'm thinking it's starting to rain. It feels like big raindrops. It's not, it's bugs. Got these big bugs hitting us. It's like tap, tap, tap. I can see them come towards us. Well, I've done 68 miles there, probably come to 69 by the time we get back. It's been good, been a good ride. I've enjoyed it. Getting a bit tired now, like, which I think I can allow myself after 70 miles. I've done a metric century, haven't I? That's right, isn't it? Is it about 60 miles? I don't measure in kilometres, like I was measuring in miles, so I'm not going to cheat. But it's been good, been very good. I know it looks overcast, but it's still very warm and muggy. And the wind's dropped as well, which is good. But it's been a good ride. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So as always, thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for supporting us. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all later. See ya. Bye bye.